trying to straighten the bike after my friend crashed my bike into a tree. Yeah, that's how they're trying to straighten out the frame. Heating it up right now. Primitive but effective. Alright, getting all three pieces tightened up. Wow, slow process, but it's working.
Ya? Oh, ini gitu. Ini na. Wala. Mga kuan na, masulod ko na. Oh, mono na. Sulod. Oh. Na. Oh. Mo bra.
Now they're replacing the front fender. That's the old one. And now that's the brand new one. I got the back end put back on it. So all that's back together. So that's looking good. Now we just got to get the front put back on it and then get this cover and then get the new headlight put in. And this is all the stuff I bought. New cover, headlights, and blinker lights. That box is the mirror. We're going to put new mirrors on it. So we're here at the mechanic shop in my day, Siquijor. And they're working pretty fast. So there's more to come. All right. All right, we're getting the new cover on. It's looking good. I was lucky to get the order straight. And everything went together okay. The only problem is the protection thing underneath is broken. I'm going to have to order that and come back and have that fixed. You can see this piece here is broken. Broken all the shit. So I got to order this and get that piece replaced. So, oh well, if it was easy, it wouldn't be worth it. All right, back to the action. Alright, we got the LED lights back on. We were missing some bolts, so we just put them on there temporarily. They go up above, right? They just go right here, but we're just going to put them here temporarily for right now until I can order 3 more bolts. Who knows how long that'll take. That'll be a lot of fun. And we have to get that front cover, that's the protector. It was so broken that it goes underneath there. It was so broken we couldn't save it. So I gotta try to find that on Lazada. That's gonna be
You have your
yes.
new side mirror?
Yeah, now we're gonna do the mirrors. I got 2 brand new mirrors. Oh shit. Oh no!
Yeah.
Alcohol abuse. All right. You keep that. You have that.
This one?
Yeah, you keep that.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just donated the old mirror to him because I got 2 brand new ones. Because they got rubber grommets on them that cover and keep the water out of the hole, so he might as well keep the old one. One of them was completely busted, so that's why it's better to get 2 new ones than it is to even deal with it. Yeah, and it was only like, what, 149 pesos or something like that for 2 new mirrors. And they're bigger mirrors than what stock is, so that's why I ordered them. You get heck of a lot better vision from these mirrors. Let me show the package. Show me the package here. See, these are the mirrors I bought.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new. Check that out. Awesome. And they just screw on. They're really cool. And see, they got the little rubber seals on them. So, it keeps the water out. And there's a left and a right. First time I ordered them, I was scared because I didn't know if it was a set. I didn't know if I was going to get 1 mirror or if I was going to get 2 mirrors. Yeah, see, they just go on really super easy. Yeah, you just put the little screw down there, tighten them down, put the rubber grommet over. Perfect. Oh, you find another nut for it? Alright, you found a substitute bolt, so excellent. That'll tighten the cover down. Alright, perfect. Yeah, I still gotta order some though. Hopefully the Honda dealer will have something. They don't have anything, man. It's just like I went to the Honda dealer to get something and they said, oh, it'll take 4 months. I says, oh, I can't wait. So had to go order on Lazada. I got it in 4 days. Cost a little bit more, but what the heck. Bike's back on the road from being totaled out. Alright, now we're setting up the mirrors. Anthony keeps spilling the Ziplocs.
Second time around.
Yeah, second time around he spilled them twice. Alright, he's getting the mirror done. Awesome. Yeah, you gotta spin it around and then put the lock bolt in place. Yeah, about right there, and then you gotta get it adjusted, and then you just tighten down the lock nut. You can see right there. Pretty simple operation. Yep, and then we're good to go. All right, done. Hey, give those, Lawrence, give those to him. Yeah. Might come down here and get some. Yeah, I'll just give him the zip ties that I just bought because we're going to need them when I get the new piece. But anyway, so he might as well have them in stock. Alright, we're getting it all dialed in. Perfect. Yeah, I know it's pretty tight to get in there to tighten that nut down. Yeah, I've got to get a pair of needle nose in there because it's really tight. The other side's not bad, but that one on the right side is a little tough. There we go. Perfect. All dialed in. All right.
Done.
Done. All right. Thanks for coming along, guys. That's the bike repair from Destroyed. From Destroyed to new. There we go. All right. Thanks for coming along, everybody. That was a fun bed day. It only took 3 beers. Not a bad day. All right. Thanks for coming. This is Rob Camp, Philippine, Paradise Found Philippines. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Thanks for coming along. Oop, they're tuning up something now. Oh, they gotta do the final little thing. Oh, they forgot a screw. They gotta tighten down one more bolt and then we're all done. All right, thank you. Done. What's your name?
Neil.
Neil?
Yeah.
All right, Neil, thank you so much for your help today.
You're welcome.
Remember, Neil and Maite. He's got this wonderful repair shop. It's a machine shop plus bike repair and auto repair. And it's right next to the Luca Loco. So, really easy to find. So come on out and see Neil if you need any kind of repairs or anything like that. All right, thanks for coming. All right, talk to you later.